All right, it's the day after release day, so you know we need to talk about them. The Jordan 14 Laneys. What's going on, YouTube? It's Lewis of the Way Kicks channel. We are back again to do an unboxing and in-hand review of these guys right here, the Jordan 14 Laneys. But as always, before we get into it, hit that like button for me, guys. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscriber button, click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. And speaking of subscribing, guys, make sure you check out the last video I just posted where we're talking about the 500 subscriber milestone and how you could possibly get into the running to being the winner of the giveaway that we're going to be doing. I do have a special way to verify that you are a real subscriber. So if you do win, make sure you are tuned into the live we're going to do this coming Saturday, where I select the winner from the array of comments that are posted on that video. All right, well, whenever we do unboxings, guys, first thing we do is take a look at the box. And this is pretty much a typical Air Jordan 13, Air Jordan 14 box. You have the red Jumpman there in the center. Now, depending on what Jordan brand feels like doing, sometimes they'll actually match the color of the Jumpman, the sneaker. But in this case, they just gave us the plain old normal red Jumpman, and the label reads on here, Air Jordan 14 Retro Varsity Royal Black. Now, this is actually my size, a size 12, but this is not my shoe, guys. So shout out to my boy Jazz for providing the sneaker to the channel for me to give you a review on them. And here they go, the Air Jordan 14 Laneys. Now, the retail on these was $210, and they did end up settling out on Sneakers app. Now, there were a few websites that had the sneaker as well, guys, but the quantities were kind of limited. So I guess in that sense, you could say the shoe was limited, but there were a few sites that already went ahead and threw these on discount. Now, I said 14s don't usually move the needle like that, and when I said that in the previous video, guys, that's most of your 14s. There are a few out there that actually garner some decent money on the resale market, but those are few and far between, in my opinion. In any case, taking a look at this shoe here, we do have the varsity blue here on the side panels, guys, and we do have some hints of that Laney yellow around on the shoe. And then flipping to the outsole, we got an all black outsole with some white hints on there. We do have the Laney colored Jumpman in the center, and then we have the Laney colored pivot point there up in the toe area. Flipping around to the top of the shoe in the toe box area here, we do have the Laney Jumpman on the toe, kind of black nubuck here in the toe cap area. Flipping around here to the midsole, we do have a black white midsole coming all the way around. The black tongue coming up here to the Laney yellow strip that's across the top. Now, it's very hard to see, and you know what, let me go ahead and lower the light a little bit so I can show you the little details here. All right, so I went ahead and turned the light off completely so you guys can see it, but here on the tongue area, let me get it to focus for you guys. There you can see it says Jordan there across the tongue, and then flipping around to the back, the Roman numeral 14 there on the back, guys. All right, real quick, let me give you a shot at both of the shoes here. And I have to say the QC on these is really nice. They came out pretty much a match, an even pair. I don't see any real QC issues with them whatsoever. It's a really dope looking sneaker. And if you don't know about the 14s, they were actually designed after another car that Michael Jordan absolutely loved, and that was a Ferrari. You can see here a little nod to Ferrari with the way they designed the Jumpman symbol there on the side of the shoe itself. And the shoe is pretty aerodynamic and sleek looking, I do have to say that, and it's really light. Plus, if you look here on the back of the heel past the 2-3 there, you can actually see what looks like tread marks from a tire, guys. So it is really designed nicely. I do like the design features on here, but it's still a pass. And it's not that it's the color blocking, because I do have a pair of the reverse Laney ones that I absolutely love, but for whatever reason, I just don't see myself actually finding an opportunity to really wear these. I mean, it's weird because the Jordan 14 was actually the first Jordan silhouette I ever had as a kid. My mom bought them for me back when I was, maybe I was like 13 or something like that. But in any case, I do have to say it is a nice quality shoe, and if you want these, I mean, there will be some restocks popping up, and the best way to find out about those restocks would be downloading the Twitter app if you have not already. And there's a bunch of different shoe pages out there that constantly post restock links to sneakers, so that would be my best suggestion as far as trying to go ahead and cop a pair, guys. I wouldn't suggest paying resale on these, not unless you absolutely feel like you have to and you're not trying to wait around. I will say this too, is that there were a few websites that actually threw these on sale yesterday on release day. I believe I saw them as low as $170, but I did see some of that posted from some of the other shoe tubers out there. So something to think about as far as wanting to cop the sneaker. In any case, guys, this is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you that every day is a great day to wear your kicks.